Rusaal here from Priceline Pharmacy West Brunswick. I'm here to talk to you guys a little bit about whooping cough. So whooping cough is a disease that is greatly affected when children get it. It is one that is passed on through coughing or sneezing, and it is one that babies are particularly vulnerable to. So some people may have heard that if you are expecting a child or if you're going to be near a child that's a newborn, you are required to have a whooping cough vaccine just to make sure that there is safety when you are in contact with that child. So a little bit about whooping cough. It comes on as like cold and flu symptoms, but it ends up in a very distinctive sort of persistent cough that sounds like a little bit of a whoop, and it can lead to difficulty breathing and also pneumonia later on, especially in children that are quite vulnerable. So that is what is the whooping cough disease is, and we'll talk about more